Hey everyone, it's Yen Yen and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving deep into the world of extra virgin olive oil, the liquid gold that elevates our dishes from simple to sensational. Let's get started. First up, we have Graza Sizzle, an extra virgin olive oil specifically designed to withstand high temperatures. This oil is perfect for roasting vegetables, searing steaks, or pan-frying fish. What sets Graza Sizzle apart is its unique blend of Picual olives, known for their high smoke point and robust flavor. You get a delicious, peppery kick in every bite without any bitterness. The convenient squeeze bottle makes it super easy to control the amount of oil you're using. If you're looking for an all-purpose olive oil that can handle the heat, Graza Sizzle is a must-have in your pantry. Next, we have Graza Drizzle, the perfect companion to Graza Sizzle. While Sizzle is your go-to for cooking, Drizzle is all about adding that final touch of flavor. Graza Drizzle is made with Arbequina olives, known for their buttery texture and delicate, fruity flavor. It's the kind of olive oil that enhances the natural flavors of your food without overpowering them. For those seeking a high-quality, everyday olive oil, look no further than Zoe Organic. This certified organic extra virgin olive oil is my go-to for everything from dipping bread to drizzling over roasted vegetables. Zoe Organic has a light, fruity flavor that's incredibly versatile. It's not too heavy or overpowering, making it the perfect complement to a wide range of dishes. This olive oil is cold-pressed within hours of harvest, preserving its natural nutrients and antioxidants. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy olive oil that won't break the bank, Zoe Organic is an excellent choice. Brightland's The Duo is a game changer for olive oil enthusiasts. This set includes two distinct extra virgin olive oils, Awake and Alive, each crafted for different culinary purposes. Awake is bold and robust, made with Arbequina and Picual olives, perfect for cooking. Alive is smooth and grassy, made with Michelin and Manzanillo olives, ideal for salads and finishing dishes. Having both Awake and Alive in your pantry allows you to explore a world of flavor possibilities. Use Awake for bold, savory dishes, and reach for Alive when you want a subtler, more delicate touch. It's a versatile duo that elevates your culinary creations. For those who go through olive oil like water, 365 by Whole Foods Market, extra virgin Mediterranean olive oil is a fantastic budget-friendly option. This large bottle is perfect for everyday cooking and baking. It has a mild, balanced flavor that won't overpower your dishes. I love using this olive oil for baking. It adds a subtle richness and moisture to cakes, muffins, and quick bread. It's also my go-to for sautéing vegetables or creating simple pasta sauces. 365 by Whole Foods Market. Extra virgin Mediterranean olive oil proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. Ready to add a fiery kick to your dishes? Heraclea chili-infused extra virgin olive oil is here to spice things up. This unique olive oil is infused with red chili and jalapeno peppers, creating a bold and flavorful experience. Drizzle it over fried eggs, add a touch to your avocado toast, or use it to create a flavorful marinade for grilled chicken or fish. If you love a little heat, Heraclea chili-infused extra virgin olive oil is a must-try. Transport yourself to the heart of Italy with Frankie's 457 Spuntino extra virgin olive oil. This exceptional olive oil is made with 100% Italian olives, cold-pressed within hours of harvest. Frankie's 457 Spuntino has a ripe, bright, and fruity flavor with grassy and peppery notes. It's incredibly versatile, but it truly shines in salad dressings and marinades. Its robust flavor profile beautifully complements fresh vegetables, herbs, and citrus fruits. It's a taste of Italy in every delicious drop. Calling all fans of rich, flavorful dishes, Partana extra virgin olive oil is about to become your new secret weapon in the kitchen. This Sicilian olive oil is renowned for its smooth, rich flavor and satisfying peppery kick. Partana extra virgin olive oil is made with Nocellara del Belice olives, known for their high oil content and unique flavor profile. It's particularly well suited for sauces, soups, and stews, adding a depth of flavor that will leave you craving more. If you're looking for an olive oil that packs a punch of flavor, Partana extra virgin olive oil is an excellent choice. It's a true testament to the quality and tradition of Sicilian olive oil making. Colavita is a brand that needs no introduction in the world of olive oil. Their premium selection extra virgin olive oil is a testament to their commitment to quality and tradition. This olive oil is a blend of oils from different regions of Italy, resulting in a well-balanced and versatile flavor profile. Colavita Premium Selection has a fruity, peppery flavor that's perfect for both cooking and baking. It's robust enough to stand up to high heat, but also delicate enough to use in dressings and marinades. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality olive oil that can do it all, Colavita Premium Selection is an excellent choice. It's a pantry staple that won't disappoint. For those who prefer a fresher, more herbaceous olive oil, California Olive Ranch Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a fantastic choice. This California-grown olive oil is made with a blend of Arbequina, Koroneiki, and Arbesana olives. California Olive Ranch Extra Virgin Olive Oil has a lovely balance of floral, herby, and grassy notes. It's particularly delicious in soups, stir-fries, and marinades. If you're looking for a fresh, flavorful, and sustainably produced olive oil, California Olive Ranch Extra Virgin Olive Oil is an excellent choice. It's a taste of California sunshine in every bottle. Get ready for a flavor explosion with Costarina Original Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This Greek olive oil is made with early harvest Koroneiki olives, known for their robust flavor and high polyphenol content. Costarina Original has a spicy, peppery flavor that will awaken your senses. Drizzle it over hummus, feta cheese, or roasted vegetables for a simple yet satisfying appetizer. It's also delicious as a finishing oil for soups, stews, and grilled meats. If you're looking for an olive oil with a bold, unforgettable flavor, Costarina Original Extra Virgin Olive Oil is an excellent choice. It's a taste of Greece that will transport you to the Mediterranean with every drop. Looking for a high-quality olive oil that won't break the bank? Look no further than Primus Imports Everyday QV Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This olive oil is a blend of oils from different regions of the Mediterranean, resulting in a smooth, well-balanced flavor. Primus Imports Everyday QV has a delicate fruity flavor with a hint of pepper. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in both hot and cold applications. Primus Imports Everyday QV Extra Virgin Olive Oil proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. It's a pantry staple that will elevate your everyday cooking without breaking the bank. We've already talked about the dynamic duo that is Brightland's The Duo, but now let's give Brightland Awake the spotlight it deserves. This bold and robust olive oil is a force to be reckoned with in the kitchen. Made with a blend of Arbequina and Picual olives, Brightland Awake has a complex flavor profile with notes of pepper, artichoke, and green almond. Use it to sear juicy steaks, roast vegetables to perfection, or fry up a batch of crispy potatoes. Its high smoke point ensures that it can handle high heat without losing its flavor. If you're looking for an olive oil that can stand up to bold flavors, Brightland Awake is an excellent choice. It's a true kitchen workhorse that will elevate your cooking to the next level. And now, for the other half of the fantastic duo, let's talk about Brightland Alive. This smooth and grassy olive oil is a celebration of freshness and flavor, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your dishes. Crafted with a blend of Mission and Manzanillo olives, Brightland Alive has a delicate, fruity flavor with hints of green apple and almond. Drizzle it over salads, hummus, or freshly baked bread for a simple yet satisfying treat. It's also delicious as a finishing oil for soups, stews, and grilled meats. If you're looking for an olive oil that's both flavorful and versatile, Brightland Alive is an excellent choice. It's a true testament to the quality and craftsmanship of Brightland's olive oils. Garlic lovers rejoice! Heraclea garlic-infused extra virgin olive oil is here to add a flavorful twist to your culinary creations. This unique olive oil is infused with real garlic, creating a delicious and aromatic experience. Drizzle it over pasta, use it to create a fragrant marinade for chicken or fish, or add a touch to your favorite dipping sauce. It's a convenient and flavorful way to add a touch of garlic to your dishes without any hassle. If you're looking for a way to elevate your everyday cooking, Heraclea garlic-infused extra virgin olive oil is an excellent choice. It's a delicious and convenient way to add a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. And there you have it, 15 of my all-time favorite extra virgin olive oils. I hope this journey through the world of olive oil has inspired you to experiment with different flavors and find the perfect oils to elevate your culinary creations. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more food-related content, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Until next time,